This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट IMI. Many times this question is asked in examination as a short note or a big question, lengthy question. What is IMI? It means Intensified Mission Indradhanush, or sometime it may be asked as explain about Mission Indradhanush. So today we will discuss all these terms. Let us start. What is Mission Indradhanush? Mission Indradhanush, as name suggests, that Indradhanush which is having 7 colors. So in Mission Indradhanush we also call it Mission Rainbow. Mission Indradhanush, which is also known as Mission Rainbow, is crucial public health initiative launched by Government of India on 25th December 2014 for immunization. What are the objectives of this program? The primary objective of Mission Indradhanush is to provide comprehensive immunization coverage to all children under the age of 2 years and pregnant women across India. The program is an integral part of broader national health mission that aim to provide health outcome and to prevent spread of infectious diseases. So this was the main objective of this program. Apart from this, under this program we focus on immunization. Mission Indradhanush seeks to protect vulnerable population from severe illnesses that can have devastating effect on the health and well-being of children as well as pregnant mothers. So what diseases are covered under Mission Indradhanush? As we know, rainbow or Indradhanush have 7 colors. So basically or initially Mission Indradhanush targeted 7 major killer diseases which were considered critical for preventing high morbidity and mortality among children. So what are these? Measles, polio, pertussis, tetanus, tuberculosis, diphtheria and hepatitis B. Meningitis and pneumonia caused by Haemophilus influenza. These are serious infections that affect brain and lungs and can lead to severe complication or death among children. So in response to evolving health needs, Mission Indradhanush has expanded to include 8th disease, further broadening its scope to enhance the public health protection. So Haemophilus influenza was added later. IMI. Later on, the Mission Indradhanush program was intensified. So name was given as IMI. Intensified Mission Indradhanush was launched on October 2017 with the objective to increase immunization coverage for children under 2 years of age and pregnant women which are not covered under routine program. During IMI, 4 rounds were conducted of immunization over 7 days continuously in 173 districts of India in October 2017 to January 2018. So in every round, continuous 7 days outreach programs were conducted for providing vaccination for children and mothers which were uncovered during a routine program. Then IMI 2 means second phase of this IMI. Phase 2 was conducted in December 2019 with the objective to further enhance the program and reach impact. During IMI 2, 4 rounds of immunization were conducted over 7 days in every round in from December 2019 to March 2020. Then phase 3. Phase 3 was conducted in January-February 2021 with the objective to vaccinate children and pregnant women who missed the doses during COVID-19 pandemic. So special program was there. During IMI, 2 rounds in January and February of immunization were conducted over 7 days in January and February 2021, covering 250 districts of India. So the program expanded later. Intensified Mission Indradhanush 4.0 means phase 4 was launched in February 2022 with the objective to focus on missed vaccinations. During IMI 4, 3 rounds of immunization were conducted over 7 days. So every time 7 days continuously outreach program was launched in February to May 2022, covering 416 districts. Then intensified Mission Indradhanush 5.0. So phase 5 was launched in August 2023 with the objective to include children up to 5 years of age and improved measles and rubella vaccination. During IMI 5, 3 rounds of immunization were conducted over 7 days in August to October 2023 and utilized UWIN digital platform for monitoring of the vaccination. Thank you, students. So this is all about IMI during examination, practical and theory examination. You can find these questions and you can give answer after this class. Thank you.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.